Florencia Moreno. I'm a pediatric oncologist, and I'm the founder and the director of Pediatric Oncology Registry in Argentina. And I coordinate the national program, oncopediatric program, in the National Cancer Institute for the Minister of Health. The Child Global Initiative of Cancer Registry, it's very, very important because the information from the data from the cancer registry, they're essential to make decisions for the policies in healthcare in our country. So I think this work, it's basic, and we have to try to keep working on that year by year by year and by generation and generation.